Good morning, children. As we are doing our chapter number 4, plants around us, right? And in our previous videos, we have done our first topic, parts of a plant, and second, types of plants. So today we'll see our next topic, protecting the plants. So let's start. We get many things from plants, such as vegetables, fruits, and grains. We use the wood, leaves, and flowers of plants to make different things. Plants keep the air fresh and clean. We should try to grow them at home. So, children, first of all, we are talking about what we get from the plants, right? So, what we get so many different kinds of things, like we get vegetables, fruits, grains, wood, leaves, flowers, right? See, vegetables, fruits, grains that we eat, and wood also. Wood we can use to make furniture, right? And on some places we make a whole house also with the help of wood. Okay, and next thing, flower. See, as we all know, there are so many different types of flowers are there, right? So, and all those flowers, they have different smell, right? Fragrances. So with the help of those flowers, we can make different kinds of perfumes. Okay, wood used to make furniture or house, flowers used to make different kinds of perfumes, and see here, grains. In grains, here one example is we get roti from wheat. So wheat is a type of grain, and with the help of wheat, what we make roti or chapati, right? Like rice also grain, right? Rice we get from plants, wheat, and maize, right? So these all kind of grains. Next, we get furniture from wood, right? We get paper from bamboo tree. Okay, here. So here we get it, that what we get from the plants, we get so many different kinds of things, like vegetables, fruits, grains, wood, leaves, and flowers. Now let's talk about our next. We need plants in many ways, but a lot of plants are being cut. It is because we are using more and more land for growing food or for building houses and factories. Some of the ways by which we can help in protecting trees are listed below. So, children, as we all know that how plants are important for us, right? So what we should do, we should protect our plants. Why we should protect? See, nowadays so many people, what they are doing, they are just cutting the trees and other plants, and they are building houses or different types of factories, right? Because of this reason, they are cutting the whole forest. So what will happen? If they will cut whole forest and so many trees, we can't get all these kind of things whatever we are getting from the plants, right? Most important thing, air is so important to live. If they will cut whole the forest and whole trees, so how we can get this air and other things, right? So here are some points or some ways by which we can help in protecting trees, right? We can help to protect trees. One, we should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plants for fun. Okay, for fun we should not pluck the leaves and flowers. We should use both sides of a paper before throwing it. It is most important. We should use cloth napkins and bags in the place of paper bags. We should, it should be should, okay? We should borrow, share, or donate books. Now, see, the reason behind all these points is, if we are sharing our textbook or notebook, and if we are using both sides of a paper, right, and we are using cloth napkins or bags in the place of paper bags, what will happen? If we'll follow all these points in paper factories, some factories where they make papers, so they will make less number of papers, and if they will make less number of papers, it means they will cut less trees, right? So we should follow all these points, and we should save our trees in some ways. Okay, now here let's think, why should we not cut trees? See, here in this topic, I have given you so many ways why we should not cut trees. So just think about it and discuss with your parents. Okay, here let's see our remember points. Plants are living things which need water, air, and sunlight to grow, right? As in starting we have talked about plants. So plants are fixed to the ground. We can see some parts of a plant. What plants can do? Plants can grow. See, they are just like human and animals, but the difference is human and animal, they can move from one place to another, but plants, they can't move. They are fixed on a place, they are fixed to the ground, but they can make food, they can grow, okay, like human do or animals do. Next point, plants have different parts like roots, stems, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Plants are of different types. Here these are the parts of a plant, and these are the types of plants. Trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers, and water plants. Plants give us food, wood, and many other things. There are many ways to protect trees, such as by using less paper, reusing paper, using cloth bags or napkins, etc. Okay. Now, here new words. In new words we have three words: absorb, nutrients, and seed. So the meaning of absorb means take in something like liquid or heat and hold it in. Okay, absorb means take in something. Next, nutrients. Nutrients means the things that one needs to grow healthy and strong, like plants. From where they get nutrients? From the soil. Yes. Next, seed. The meaning of seed is the small hard part of a plant, usually inside a fruit, from which a new plant grows. How new plant grows from seed? When we will give a proper amount of water, air, and sunlight to a seed, it will grow into a new plant. Okay, so now here we have done our this chapter, plants around us. In our next video we will revise all these topics again, and then we'll move our further exercises. Okay, here I have given you some hard words, so just read all these hard words, learn the spellings, and write in your EVS notebook. Okay.